ride in the 2015 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, backup camera, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.